Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. So today I made some beef ribs. So I baked it and later on grilled it just for some few minutes. Look at how soft it looks. It was so yummy and delicious. If you want to try this, you won't regret. So for the recipe, I washed my ribs and then pat dried it using paper towel and put the spice and herb pepper, olive oil, and then I put the sweet chili paprika and rib seasoning. I mix it very well and then I applied it on both sides of the ribs. I mix well and then I put on a baking tray. I covered this with parchment paper and foil paper. I baked this at 350 degrees for 1 hour. For the sauce, I put 1 cup of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of chicken and rib sauce, and 1 tablespoon of mustard sauce, 1 teaspoon of red and hot sauce, 1 teaspoon of Bovril beef sauce, 1 teaspoon of red palm oil, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. I mix it very well, and then after mixing it, I applied to the baked ribs and then grilled it in a low heat for 5 minutes. Look at that, so yummy, so nice and soft. You can try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching.